In this video we're going to show you how to assemble, disassemble, and adjust your Lowrider Trucks by Zombie Longboards. First, what you're going to want to do is install your jam nut, thread it on to the heim joint till you have approximately 5 threads between the bottom of the circular portion and the top of the jam nut, so right about there. Then you're going to want to thread that onto the base plate or into it. And then make sure again that you have 5 threads showing. So now that we have that, we will take things and install them onto the hanger. Push that through. Now what you're going to want to do is thread the kingpin into the base plate and tighten up the bushings a little bit, and then make sure that the hole in your heim joint and the hole in your hanger line up. And if they do not, then you can readjust the heim joint to make sure you have a true 40 degrees when your bushings are at your preferred tension. So I'm a little bit off there. I'm going to adjust that a little bit. So we will take out the kingpin, pull the hanger off, and that will allow us to be able to adjust this heim joint. So we'll take the heim joint and we will back it out a half a turn. Now we'll reinstall the hanger where everything lines up. Okay, much better this time. So we will install our pivot bolt. There we go. If you don't have the bushings and heim joint adjusted correctly, you'll know it because you won't be able to get the pivot bolt in without a bunch of trouble. So we'll go ahead and tighten that up. Last thing to do is tighten up your jam nut, and now you're good to go.